In this video, I'm gonna to show you how to use this amazing tool that generates 100 professional videos in just 80 seconds. Let's get started. First, go to veed.io and sign up, then log in using your Gmail account. To save time, we will accelerate this part of the video. It's very easy and quick process. This is the dashboard of the tool. In the next video, we'll explore more useful features. For now, let's create a video using a sample prompt. We will first generate the prompt using ChatGPT, then use it inside the tool to create the video. I will paste the prompt here and click on generate video. It's only take a few seconds. The video is ready. Let's take a look. As you can see, the result is professional and a high quality. This tool is amazing. It's helped you create videos in just few seconds. You will find the link to the tool in the description below. Click it and try it for yourself. Let me try to download the video. Since we are using the free plan, the video will download to our laptop with our watermark, but don't worry, we can remove it easily using other tools. If you would like to see more videos about this tool or how to use it for free, leave me a comment. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and comment for more tutorials in the future. Thank you for watching.